Good morning, dear aspirant. To start with today's news, cosmic discoveries and natural phenomena. That is, bullseye galaxy with the 9 rings that reveal dark matter secrets. Usually, the dark matter is a unpredictable event. So, but newly discovered this bullseye galaxy has some kind of unprecedented 9 rings. That is because of a collision with the blue dwarf galaxy. The collision provides insight into galactic evolution and the formation of low surface brightness galaxies. The event might contribute to understanding the distribution of dark matter. Okay, so but this galaxy represents an early stage of this galactic evolution, this low surface brightness galaxies formation. So, what is actually about this formation? This is a unique ring structure likely that resulted from the dwarf galaxy passing through the bullseye galaxy core about 50 million years ago. Interaction between the two galaxies caused ripples of star formation, forming the 9 distinct rings. Such interaction did not disrupt individual stars but influenced gas dynamics that lead to layered star formation. A thin trail of gas was detected connecting the galaxies, confirming the physical interaction despite vast separations. So the implication is this is very ideal for dark matter research, and this might evolve into a giant low surface brightness galaxy, and this galaxy challenge existing cosmological models. 5 feared dead in Jammu Kashmir as cloudburst wreak havoc happening. So cloudburst and flash flood that is hit in Jammu Kashmir in Ramban district. So 5 people feared dead, among them 2 children. More than 100 people rescued from stranded zones. So the landslide buried vehicles, several areas cut off because of this debris. So according to IMD, cloudburst or sudden heavy rainstorm were more than 10 centimeter of rainfall in less than an hour. Over only happen in a small area like about 10 square kilometer. Particularly this will happen in mountain area, particularly in Himalayas. In the Indian subcontinent, it generally occurs when a monsoon cloud drifts northwards from the Bay of Bengal or the Arabian Sea. So cloudbursts occur when strong upward current of hot air prevent raindrops from falling, allowing them to grow larger while new smaller drops from below. Cloudbursts frequently occur in the hilly and mountainous area of the Indian subcontinent. Orographic lifting and cloudburst formation. So air rises as it travels up to the windward side. Rising air cools and condenses, and enhanced cloud development will occur. Air encounters mountain range. ISRO satellites forecast wheat production, assess crop conditions. So ISRO has estimated total wheat production from 8 major states that will be increased. So ISRO crop monitoring technology has advanced satellite network that uses data from ARISAT 1A, OceanSat 3 and RISOSat 2A. Crop growth simulation model can be also assessed so that the crop area sowing date can be provided. So UP, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Gujarat and Maharashtra. So crop, that is comprehensive remote sensing observation. The crop system developed by NRC ISRO is a semi-automated scalable framework used for near real-time monitoring of crop sowing and harvesting across India. So, to protect Bengal from violence that amount to judicial incursion, asked Supreme Court. Supreme Court raised a constitution question that the direction to the center to protect Bengal under Article 355, that is whether it is amount to judicial overreach. See, Article 358 mandates the Union to protect state against internal disturbance and ensure governance as per the Constitution. So judicial activism is judges actively interpret and shape the law. Judicial overreaches court exceed their legal authority or jurisdiction, and maintaining separation of powers is the constitutional balance. So example of judicial activism is basic structure that is defined in the Keshan and the Bharti case. So right to personal liberty, that is Article 21 guaranteed in Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India case. In Vishaka versus State of Rajasthan, Supreme Court issued guidelines for the prevention of sexual harassment at the workplace, and National Legal Service Authority versus in Union of India, it recognized the right to self-identity of one's gender. So if in judicial overreach, Shyam Narayan Chowsky versus Union of India, Supreme Court made it mandatory that all cinema halls in India should play the national anthem. That is, and also liquor ban of retail outlets within 500 meter of any national highways. Try to answer this question. Discuss the causes and consequences of cloudburst in Himalayan region. What steps should be taken to mitigate their impact? Thank you. Have a great day.